Guld with Geeks On Tour, and this tutorial is about using Airdrop to transfer a photo directly from one iOS device, like this iPhone, to another iOS device, like this iPad. Now this happens to be my iPhone and my iPad, but imagine that I took a photo with this iPhone, and I'm going to just go into Photos and show you the photo I'm talking about. So I took this photo of Jim receiving an award from this distinguished looking gentleman named Kip, and let's say that Kip asks me, I want that photo, can you give it to me? And he happens to have this iPad. It's very easy to do using Airdrop. First, you do need to check that the Airdrop setting is on. So I go into, and mostly on the receiving device, but I want to show you on both. It's under Settings and then General, and there's Airdrop. And you have three choices. Receiving off, meaning Airdrop will not work on this device, or contacts only, or everyone. Now, I set it to everyone because even though a person might be in my contacts, maybe they're using a different email on this device, and often I am transferring a photo to somebody I just met. Here, I took this great picture of you, do you want it? So I put that on everyone, and the receiving device is the main one that needs it. So Settings and General, Airdrop, and this one is set to everyone. So here's all you do. Open the photo, and you can do that from the photos. There's the photo I want. Tap the Share button, the square with the up arrow in it. And Airdrop is right here in the middle. And if an active Airdrop iOS device is within range, it does need to be within a couple of feet, then it will show up right here. So there is Chris's iPad. I just tap on that, and that photo zooms right across to this device. And that's how easy it is to transfer a photo from one iOS device to another using Airdrop. This time, let's say that I have a photo stored on my iPad that I want to be on my iPhone. First, I have to make sure that my iPhone is set to receive Airdrop, Settings, General, Airdrop, and I have it set to contacts only. Well, this is my iPad, will certainly be in my contacts. So I open up the picture just using the native Photos app, and here's the picture I want, my favorite diving picture. And you tap the Share button, which on this iPad is in the upper right corner, the square with the up arrow. And my iPhone appears in the Airdrop area. I just tap it, and that picture gets sent from this iPad to this iPhone using Airdrop.